2, a different path in life. Now, the different path in life, we could talk about this picture, for example. So you see a cabin being made, okay? It's quite easy to make a cabin, I think, as long as you know what to do. You need wood, you need glass, you need metal. You want to build the house yourself, okay? And that's really, really good. I think that's a very good craft to know. Now, again, for this question, what makes some people teach apprentices to do the same thing they do? Now, apprentice is someone that's learning, okay? Now, you probably, if you watch Japanese shows or maybe if you watch anime and stuff like that, they talk about apprentices, okay? Now, the apprentice is the student, another word for a student. The master is basically the teacher, okay? Now, click in A, you can tick any of these that you think is correct. Now, the next vocabulary we're going to be talking about is the one in the box, okay? Again, I want you to understand this, all these vocabulary. So you got amateur, marketing, apprentice, operation, clone, overseas, gallery, regard, identify with, and unique. And write the meanings next to it, of course, all right? Once you understand that word, go on to this question on 74, listen to the audio. Again, question, notes, take them down, okay? Listen to the audio on this one. Once you finish that, on page 74, you're going to tick here, true or false. After you listen to the audio, you're going to write it down true or false, whether it's right or wrong, on question C. On question D, A, B, C. You're going to read the questions, listen to the audio, A, B, C, you're going to pop them in there, okay? You're going to do question 1. On page 75, you're going to do question 2, 3, and 4. Question E. What you want to do is tick what you think is the things that he cares about the most. He meaning Carl Baxter, okay? What does he care about the most? Tick what you think is right, okay? On page 76, okay? On 75 and 76, what you're going to do is hear some words from listening to. Read the sentences, then write down each bold word or phrase next to the correct definition. Identify number 1, okay? You got marketing on question 2. Then you got it all the way to question 10. What you want to do is use them words from the bold lines. For example, I'll use question 10. I regard Mike as the most intelligent person I know. The word regard, that's number 10. What you want to do is regard, you want to write it in anywhere between A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J, okay? Write that in. Once you finish that, that's it. I want you to go on to page number 77. Write down the meanings. What do you think the main reason Carl Baxter builds a cabin? Okay, that's question number 1. Why does he build it? Okay, and why do you think Carl Baxter loves the fact that his apprentice, he has started his own business? Write down the reason why you think his student, basically, apprentice is someone that's trying to learn the skill of something, maybe building, maybe building something like a computer, maybe a house, maybe plumbing, maybe construction, these sort of things, okay? And once you finish that, you're going to go on to page number 78. Now on 78, you got vocabulary skill. It's called word form. You got a verb, you got a noun, adjective, and adverb, okay? Many words have several forms. For instance, a verb may have a noun form, an adjective form, and an adverb form. Notice all the forms of the verb appreciate. So the verb form depreciate, the noun form depreciate, adjective, and adverb, okay? In some cases, most parts of the speech of a word has the same form. You got a noun, and then you got a verb. For example, the noun for encounter is encounter. The verb for the encounter is encounter again, all right? Now, on this one, I want you to look at the verb and circle the word that is not a form of the verb. Use your dictionary to help you, okay? Now, look at this verb, produce, okay? Find out which one is not the same as produce. Productive, prodigy, and productivity, okay? Prodigy is something else completely. Productivity and productivity is linked to produce. Inspire, inspiration, inspirational, and persevere. Again, use the dictionary or use Google to find out what the word that does not match, okay? So prodigy does not match produce. Question B, on page 79, okay? On page 79, what I want you to do is the last page. Now, complete the sentence with the correct form of the verb in the paraphrases. In parentheses. use a dictionary to help you. Now, Carl Baxter is a very something builder. Okay. Produce adjective. You're going to write down the produce adjective version of that. Okay. Same for inspire, the noun, develop noun, operate noun. You got identify adjective and market adjective. Okay, and that's it. And as you can see here, preparing wood for building. Okay, this is another way of things that are done by hand. Okay, preparing wood for building something. All right, thank you.